if oil is going to start declining, I'm going to show you here in a second where it actually just plummeted yesterday, where mortgage rates follow. Well, that's what we're going to talk about in today's show, folks. My name is Dan Frio. I'm the host of the Rate Update. I'm also a licensed mortgage loan officer, licensed in all 50 states, as well as Puerto Rico. My slogan, one application, one credit pool. I'm going to compare your loan to over 30 different lenders. How? Why? I'll explain that to you at the end of this video. You're here for these. So let's get to it. So this was odd yesterday. I'm sitting here and I watch oil and I watch mortgage rates. And then all of a sudden yesterday, about noonish, the oil market just plummeted. It's not a gradual descent like you see in most cases. It was just a crash. And then if you go over to mortgage rates, well, the mortgage bond market, here's what I follow. I'm a mortgage advisor, so I don't really follow rates because it's behind the curve. Let me explain. Mortgage rates are basically computed or figured out by this right there here. This is a mortgage bond. So the yield on this bond is the biggest component of your mortgage rate. All you have to understand is this. If that number up there is green, that means mortgage rates are getting a little bit better. The bigger the green, well, the bigger the adjustment. Here's what happened yesterday. Let's go over to oil. Here's what he had, oil. Oil, right in the middle of the day, just crashed, boom, just, well, let's go over to the bond market, and you see a similarity right through here. About the same time, you had the bond market just go whoop. And again, when this goes up, that's good news for rates. So as you see oil moving, that's what you're going to see the mortgage rates doing. So now we have to figure out, okay, we have all these numbers today, and I'm going to show you how oil is playing a big part of this. But then we have to also look at the economic data, because once all this smoke screen goes away, where are rates going to go? I'm calling it right now. This is the peak. But how low are they going to go? Are they going to go all the way back to 599? I don't think so. But let's dive into the numbers, the economic news, try to figure this out. Because if you're a homeowner, home buyer, I want to put you in the best position you can be. So the first thing we're going to do is let's go to the stock market.